if you have not explored the property website, now is the time I'm going to show you why you really want to do that. So before you do though, let me jump over and just show you when you've got your profile stuff, what you need to do is go through it and make sure you've got everything up to date. Billing info is not necessarily for the property websites or marketing kit stuff, but anything in here, job title, license number, website, uh, now we can actually assign you guys to groups, but I'm not doing that here. This would be, if you had a whatever company you're with, I can assign that to. But your social media, this is what you're really going to want. If you do have preferences on some design things, you can change all that. But anyway, so back over to the I keep trying to say property website, marketing kit. All right, so here's some quick links that'll also get you updated. You want to click and make sure that all of these things are all looking good as well. But anyway, so as you go through, you're going to see everything is broken into categories. Now, everything that you are looking at here, I'm doing this through my desktop, but all of this is available through the app as well. If you have the TNPC app, you can do all of this on there just as well. You can see all of these different categories, even slideshows, all kinds of stuff. Now we get down here. Now, stuff down here. This is the actual property website stuff. So there actually is something I want to point out important with this, because there's one thing I'm going to point out also has to do with the slideshows. Come down to edit details and design. When you go in there, the background music, by default, it's going to say no music selected. So you can either click surprise me, or you can come over here and you can sample some different musics and pick it. And then once you're done, then you end up back over at the marketing kit. All right, so back over to the marketing kit. So the music selection again is going to affect the property websites and slideshows. So you just click on that edit details. Otherwise, you can get the direct links right there. You click preview site. Same thing down here. You got all of those flyers. I know that sometimes you want to do property flyers for leaving there at the house or whatever. So let's see. Let's just look at this one for a second. All right. So this one. So the QR code would actually take somebody to the property website that goes with this. But say you wanted to change something, maybe you don't want that photo there. Just simply click on it, come through, scrub, find something else you want, and just single click it. Maybe you want to change that. I don't know. I know this is not going to be what you want. But anyways, you can change all of those things. This is a blank spot at the moment because there's no description in there. But there's all kinds of stuff you can do, and you still have all of these options over here. You can add a heading if you wanted to add a heading. You can just add some simple text if you want to add simple text, shapes, add more media, whatever. You've got all of those things that you can do at your disposal. And then when you're done, you just download it. And of course, you can get a web traffic report as well, or if you do analytics at all, but that would only be if you're making use of the property website. But all the rest of these are just the same thing. Here I want to kind of go into, we'll say one of these up here, because these animated ones have multiple pages. So when you go into it, and again, you do all of this through the website as well, or through the TNPC app. But you can go into each and every one of these and you can change these out if you want and do whatever you want with them. You can change price, change text, all of this stuff is completely editable. But anyway, so yeah, all of this stuff. Now, if you do this from from the app on your phone, instead of download, it's going to say share. And when you do that, that's why you want your social media stuff connected, because you can share it right to that social media. So you'll have edit and share, but on the desktop, you're going to have edit and download. So you can download it to your computer and then upload from there. But again, here, there's just so many different things. It automatically generates previews of stuff, and you can just kind of go through and play with each and every one. When you do this, it is a cost per job, but you can do any of these as much as you want, change them around. You've got it for a full year to play with anything and everything in here till that year is up. But that's it. That is a marketing kit. Do this stuff, and it will get you more attention. That'll get you more, just all kinds of neat things. So, yeah, I guess, yeah, the music also plays here, not just in the slideshows. But anyways, hopefully that helps. Good luck and go forth and make some money with this.